Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 27th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned CSS box model. In this tutorial, you will learn CSS Display Property. So let's get started. Okay guys, the display property specifies how the elements are displayed, right? By default, the HTML display value is either block or inline, right? A block element always starts on a new line. The block elements are div, h1 to h6, paragraph, form, header, etc. Those are the block elements. And then the inline display does not start on a new line, although it takes the available width as much as it can. All right, so let me give you an example here. I have this document right here. Now I will target our list, right, and I will specify a display for it. So list, and then now I will say display. Let me say block, and I said block display always starts on a new line and takes the available width, right? So let me save it. As you can see here, by default, this display here is block, right? Let me refresh. You can see the first one start on the first line, followed by the second one, and followed by the third one, right? What if I change the display to be inline? Let me say inline. Save it, refresh. You can see they are now displayed horizontally, right? So there are other two values for display property. There is hidden and there is none, right? So when you specify the display to be hidden, all right, it will hide the element, but there will be still space for that element, although it will not be showing, okay? All right, now let me target my first H2, right? The class is hidden. Now I will say visibility, right? And I will add hidden. Save it, refresh. You can see, so the hidden value hides the element and takes up a space. You can see there is a huge margin between display and this H2 here, because there is supposed to be an element between them, but it has been hidden. Okay, what about none? Okay, now let me add another H2 here so that you see the effect. I will add another H2 here. Let me refresh. Okay, now you see I will hide this H2 in the middle using none, right? Now I will specify the display to be none. Change this one to none because we are hiding the second one here, this one. That's what we are hiding. So let me say none, save it, refresh. You can see our element has been hidden and it has not taken up any space, right? So when you specify the visibility to be hidden, it will take up space. But when you say display none, it will not take up any space, but it will hide the element. All right? So that's it for this tutorial, guys. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS positioning. So I will see you there.